logistics is a problem that every single exchange student struggles with. Most people moved by flying and so could only really take one suitcase, which makes their job even harder than mine. I, however, stayed in Europe, so I could take a little bit more, which was great in theory, but I still did not manage to pack anywhere near efficiently. So I took the Flixbus, the public bus, to Freiburg, and you're only supposed to be able to take 2 big suitcases and 1 small one. So I had to employ someone else had to make someone else come with me to take 4 bags because I had so much stuff. And as I say, I had an easier life than most people flying. And so this video is just going to be about the struggle of trying to take your one home in Groningen, taking that and trying to transport it to possibly Australia, and trying to still have that familiarity and essence that it is your room with your stuff. Yeah. The extra pants and socks did eventually fit into the other bags, making them impossibly heavy, but they were eventually lugged onto the Flixbus somehow with some dislocated shoulders. Freiburg!
Yes! Mit Freiburg machen wir noch eine Pause.
Once said incredibly heavy bags were transported from the Flixbus onto a tram and then get off at the wrong stop, have to wait until you get back on the tram, and then finally got to my apartment. We then had the problem, we realised how with that much stuff there's also a huge amount of stuff to unpack, which is almost as difficult as packing it in the first place. Messy already! Starting to feel like home. Cozy mode activated. Then there was the discovering Freiburg and going around and seeing it for the first time, which was so amazing. The city is so beautiful, so I couldn't not put that in the video.
Ich